Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Via, and in today's video guys, I am going to share with you my personal experience when I was applying my K-1 visa, or it is also called the fiancé visa. And I am going also to tell you their fees, their visa timeline, and the requirements. So, disclaimer lang guys, I am not a lawyer, hindi rin po ako fixer, hindi rin po ako empleyado in any federal government. Ang i-share ko lang sa inyo guys yung experience ko na nag-apply ako ng aking K-1 visa. So, what is K-1 visa? Ano ba ito ang K-1 visa? Ang K-1 visa guys is to permit the US citizen fiancé to enter to the US, and the couple will get married no more than 90 days upon arrival to the US ng foreign fiancé. So, ang first tip guys, prior to filing the petition for alien fiancé, dapat nagkita muna ang US citizen sponsor at saka yung foreign fiancé ng personal. And then after that, kapag bumalik na sa US yung US citizen sponsor, pwede siyang mag-file ng form I-129F, that's a petition for alien fiancé. At ang babayaran dyan guys, ang fee na babayaran ay $535. And then after a month, makaka-receive ng notice, approval notice yung US citizen sponsor from USAS. So if-file nyo yung form na yan guys sa USAS. After USAS, pag na-approve na, ipo-forward ng USAS to NVC, National Visa Center. So yung National Visa Center ang magpo-forward ng documents nyo to US Embassy in Manila kung nasa Manila kayo. At ang NVC or National Visa Center din ang mag-schedule ng interview sa foreign fiancé. So ano bang documents na ipapasa sa NVC? Ang documents na ipapasa sa NVC guys ay i-complete niyo yung DS-160 non-immigrant visa application, at kapag may anak under 18 years old yung foreign fiancé, isasali din doon, magpiprint out din ng complete DS-160 for the confirmation page. And another requirements ay valid passport, birth certificate, police clearances or NVI and NBI, and annulment papers or divorce papers kung may previous marriages kayong pareho, or sinumar para sa foreign fiancé, and birth certificate ng foreign fiancé at saka yung both US citizen foreign fiancé, at kapag merong children na kasama. So children naman na kasama guys, ang K1, ang visa naman nun ay K2 visa. Eh wala namang bayad yun pag isasali yung children sa petition. And then medical exam. Medical exam guys, yung sealed medical exam, makukuha nyo yun, mag-medical kayo sa St. Luke's Clinic. Ang babayaran doon guys sa St. Luke Clinics as of August 2021, 15-year-old or older, ang babayaran ay 17,025 pesos. And kapag may kids kayo, below 15-year-old, ang babayaran naman ay 9,583. And then another requirements guys, evidence of financial support na manggagaling sa US citizen sponsor, yung most recent tax return ng US citizen sponsor nyo. So importante rin, very important, kasi yun ang titingnan din ng consul kung kaya kayong buhayin ng US citizen sponsor pagdating sa US na hindi kayo umasa sa government nila. Kapag not enough naman yung income ng US sponsor nyo or US citizen sponsor, pwede siyang kumuha ng joint sponsor. Kamag-anak niya or anak niya or parents, yun, pwede niya. As long as yung joint sponsor mag-sign ng paper or form na isasubmit nyo sa US CIS. And then, dalawang 2x2 photo para sa passport. Then, evidence of relationship. Yun sa medical nyo pala guys, mag-medical kayo sa St. Luke's. Sealed yun. After ng medical nyo, sila na yung magpo-forward ng result doon sa US Embassy Manila kapag nasa Manila kayo. And dapat sa interview nyo guys, a week or before ng interview nyo, dapat makapag-medical na kayo. And then sa evidence of relationship naman guys, pag first meeting nyo, dapat i-keep nyo yung mga photos nyo together, especially family photos. Ipapakita nyo yun sa console. Kapag hinahanap ng console, I'm sure hanapin ng console, titingnan yun. Kasi yun yung experience ko, nangyari sa akin na tiningnan ng console. Hinahanap yung picture nyo together. Much better kung family photos din na kasama. But, syempre yung kayong dalawa din, yun, damihan yung magtala ng picture. Gusto nyo. And then guys, yung flight itineraries, yung hotel itineraries, yung remittances guys, very important. I-keep nyo yun. Yung correspondence nyo, email, chat, or kung saan kayo nag-communicate ng inyong partner, yun, i-keep nyo yun, i-print out nyo yun kasi hahanapin ng console yung mga ganong to prove na legitimate yung relationship nyo dalawa. Yun. And then sa fees, yeah, as I said, yung form ay $129, $535 yun. Sa medical, yun, nasabi ko na din. And then guys, sa K-1 visa application, may babayaran din kayo during the interview. It's gonna be $265. And then after, sa interview naman guys, during the interview, madali lang naman yung question ng console guys. Kasi formality lang naman yun. It's only between the US citizen sponsor and the foreign fiancé lang naman yung maitatanong ng console. Ang very important lang talaga doon, yung IRS na dapat enough yung income ng inyong sponsor. Or meron siyang joint sponsor, much better, no? Kung hindi enough yung income. And then, after that, right after the interview, kung pumasa kayo sa interview, at wala namang kulang sa documents nyo, kasi pag kulang yung documents, yun ang nakakatagal ng processing. Now, kung kulang yung documents nyo, manghingi naman yung console ng additional documents. And then, yun, isasubmit nyo lang doon. And then, kapag pumasa kayo sa interview, sasabihin naman agad ng console na right away, after the interview, na pumasa kayo at iiwan nyo yung passport nyo doon. Kasi doon ilalagay yung US visa sa passport nyo. Ngayon, after ng interview, after 2 weeks, makaka-receive kayo ng sealed packet together with your passport na nandoon na yung US visa nyo. Ang kukunin nyo lang doon sa sealed packet na yon, yung passport nyo lang ang kunin nyo doon. Do not open the sealed packet. Only the DHS or Department of Health, Department of Homeland Security lang ang makaka-open nung packet na yon. Huwag nyo i-open yon. Actually, meron namang on the top of that packet, meron naman nakalagay na warning, do not open. Huwag nyo i-open yun. Kasi nangyari yun sa kasabayan ng kaibigan ko papunta dito sa US, na inopen niya yung packet, ang binigay niya sa immigration, first entry niya dito sa US, isang page lang. So, inopen yung package, ang nangyari sa kanya, naging airport to airport siya. So, sinend back siya doon sa Pinas. So, parang sayang, no? Sayang kasi sayang yung pera, yung pagod, yung time. So, kaya guys, wag nyo i-open yung packet. And pagdating nyo dito, first entry nyo sa US guys, meron namang konting interview din sa immigration. It's ano lang naman, between, as usual, between you and your partner ang question. Mga few questions lang naman. Tapos, Yun, kung saan kayo mag first entry dito. And then, pag nandito na kayo sa US, magpapakasal kayo ng inyong partner no more than 90 days. So, within 90 days, dapat kasal na kayo. Kapag hindi kayo, if you guys decided not to get married, yung foreign fiancé, hindi pwedeng magstay sa US. Hindi rin siya pwedeng mag-change ng status niya. Hindi rin siya pwedeng mag-change ng visa from K-1 or fiancé visa to another type of visa. Hindi rin siya pwedeng magpakasal ng ibang citizen. Yun lang yung nag-sponsor sa kanya, dapat doon siya magpakasal. Kapag nangyari yun, hindi kayo ikakasal dito na within 90 days, ipababalik kayo doon sa Philippines. Yun. Kasi yung purpose ng K-1 visa is nyo to come here to the US and get married sa US citizen na nag-sponsor sa inyo. Yun yung purpose ng K-1 visa. And then, after that guys, kapag kinasal na kayo, pwede na kayo mag-change status and pwede na din kayo mag-apply ng green card. 2 years green card ang ibibigay sa inyo. It's a case-to-case basis guys, yung 2 years na green card. Walang interview, meron namang ini-interview din. So, sa friend ko, wala silang interview, mag-asawa. Ako that time, nag-interview, may interview ako. And then, kapag expired na yung 2 years, green card nyo, pwede na kayo mag-apply ulit kayo ng 10 years, 14 years green card. So, may interview din doon guys, kayong mag-partner, kayong couple, meron interview doon. Ano lang naman ang interview? Between you and your partner lang din naman. And then, kapag pumasa kayo doon kapag na-approve yung 10 years na green card, pwede na kayong mag-petition kung meron kayong naiwang anak sa Pinas na under 18 years old. Pwede nyo siyang kunin. And then, kapag 3 years ka nang tumira dito sa US and you are still married with the same US citizens na nag-sponsor sa inyo, pwede na kayong mag-apply ng citizenship. And guys, check out my video with that, na mag-apply ng US citizenship. And if happen guys na hindi kayo nag-work ng iyong partner, halimbawa naghiwalay kayo, pwede kang mag-apply kapag 5 years ka nang nakatira dito sa US or more than 5 years ka na nakatira dito sa US. Pwede ka na mag-apply sa sarili mo na hindi mo na kailangan gamitin or mag-sponsor ng US citizen. So yun, kapag may trabaho ka din. Kasi ganun yung nangyari sa akin guys. Naghiwalay kami, but that time, kaya 2 beses ako nag-apply ng US citizen. But that time, over 5 years na ako dito sa US, kaya nag-apply na ako sa sarili ko. Na hindi ko na kailangan na may sponsor. And that time, meron din akong trabaho that time. So, yun, kaya ko namang suportahan yung sarili ko that time. So, yun guys, and check out sa USIS guys pag nandito na pala kayo para makapag-apply kayo ng Social Security ninyo. Kapag meron na kayong Social Security number, then you can work dito sa US. Meron din silang card, meron din fill up na form sa pag nagkumuha ka ng work permit, parang ganun. Nakalimutan ko na what was that. Pero yeah, check out lang sa USAS na website guys kung ano pa yung other, kasi yung iba nakalimutan ko na, matagal na kasi yun. So that was it guys, and if you have a question, and I will try to answer sa mga tanong nyo kung meron kayong tanong. And then guys, I think that was it. And then check out my box description guys, ilalagay ko doon yung requirements, the fees, the timeline. The timeline for the K-1 visa it takes 6 to 8 months lang. Pero you can skip the K-1 visa, guys, kung nagpakasal kayo sa Pilipinas. Ang visa naman doon is K3 visa, but it will take longer rather than the K-1 visa. Kasi yung spousal visa, over a year, yun pinaprocess. So, mas matagal. So, ang K-1 visa is 6 to 8 months lang. And then, I think that was it, guys. And thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned something from my video. And thank you for watching. And if you like my video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And thank you, guys, for watching. And to those who are still supporting me, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support, guys. Thank you so much. And to those who are applying for their K-1 visa or fiancé visa, good luck sa inyo. And kapag nandito na kayo sa US, welcome to the United States, the land of opportunity. Thank you, guys, and thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed me yet, please do, and share to all your friends so they will have an idea if they are processing their K-1 visa or fiancé visa. Thank you so much for watching, guys. God bless and bye-bye.